What's up, guys? Did a little install today on this Freightliner for a local customer. He got one of our multi-hitch kits. This has got the gooseneck, the whole 9 yards. Just gonna do a little walk around and show you the finished product. So it's not painted and the panel and stuff's not bolted on because we run out of black paint. And he's local, he's gonna paint it as soon as he gets home. So I've left the panel and the brass out of the holes there so he don't have to take that off when he gets there. 4 D-rings, 2 up top for the gooseneck and then the 2 on the bottom for the receiver. It's a 2.5-inch receiver. So for the heavy duty stuff. Works out good because I actually cut the gussets down a little smaller. We typically have a gusset that goes all the way across the top, but I didn't use this on this one. I used the regular small ones and just took some material off and left this open so his gooseneck collar would have room to turn on top of this. But reinforced a lot. See, weld all the way across the top to the gooseneck tube. And also do that on the bottom, which I'll show you right quick in a second. Have to double pass it around the sides there just to build that up good around the ends of the frame. Look behind. Got it gusseted, welded on both sides, and I've got it stitch welded to the bottom of the plate as well for the gooseneck tube. As far as the lights here, the lights were mounted to the suspension cross member here. You can see where they were. This, you can see where it was here. This is the backup alarm, I believe. We just hung this back in place, kind of out of the way. And there was enough harness almost to stretch this thing back. And we just re-drilled the original brackets, turned them sideways, and welded them to the end of the frame. So that worked out for him where he could reuse his lights and worked out pretty good. So just want to show you guys that. I know we sell a lot of these things, get a lot of questions, do a lot of custom ones for people, but this is pretty straightforward. And this Freightliner chassis is kind of what this hitch was designed around, even though we can do pretty much any plate size up to 1 inch thick, custom to your application. So, thanks for watching.